Hello everyone. In this video, I'll talk about three different opportunities that I had been planning to invest for some time. They have been on my watch list, but I could not invest in them due to some reason or the other. Sometimes I did not have funds, sometimes I was just lazy. All these opportunities or platforms have slightly higher minimum investment value as compared to other options available in the market. And they were also not the best opportunities available in the market in their own sector, but they still are pretty good. Now I think I have enough confidence after monitoring them for 6 months that I can invest in them. If these platforms or opportunities are in your watch list as well, do let me know if there is any particular parameter or performance tracker that you would want me to track. If there is any other similar opportunity in the market that you are tracking, but it has not been able to build enough confidence that you could invest in it, please do share that as well. I would definitely check that out. And if I could, I would invest in it and share the performance with you. So the three opportunities that I'm discussing in this video are gold with a startup called Good Luck, invoice discounting in movies via a startup called Better Invest, and asset leasing with a startup called Race Energy. So starting with Good Luck, we as a family love gold as an asset. We have been investing in it in the form of sovereign gold bonds. Then the SGB frequency reduced. Then we started investing in physical gold via MMTC. And it seems that SGB most likely will be discontinued. At least for some time, they are not going to be issued. So I have started to explore other options in the market where I can invest in gold. Now, Good Luck presents a great opportunity. It is a young startup, just a couple of years old, but it has a very innovative solution where it claims to offer even higher returns than sovereign gold bonds. Now, I think that it is not 100% true that they are better than sovereign gold bonds, but on paper, they still look pretty promising. I recently came across a post on LinkedIn where one of their investors kind of promoted them, where he mentioned that the AUM of Good Luck has crossed 500 CR and they have grown almost 12x in last 18 months. Now this is pretty impressive and I plan to invest in this really soon. The second opportunity is a startup called Better Invest. Now Better Invest offers invoice discounting, but they offer invoice discounting in the movie industry. Now I find this super interesting. The returns that they promise usually vary between 16 to 19%, which means they are definitely high risk opportunities. But I have been monitoring them since last 6 months or so. They continuously claim that there have been no defaults. And they also very clearly mention that the repayment is a flexible timeline between say 3 to 5 months for some deals it is 6 to 9 months. So I like that communication, that they clearly inform the investors that the payment is going to be flexible. So as an investor, I would invest the money that I definitely don't need it at a fixed date. Now I keep this investment purely in the league of startup investments, and hence I would assign a particular sum, say 50,000 or 1 lakh, to Better Invest and keep on rotating it based on their performance. If they are able to deliver on their promise, then 16% is pretty impressive, and I can tell people that I'm a movie producer, so that's something fantastic. The third opportunity is asset leasing with Race Energy. Race Energy offers battery solutions to two-wheelers and three-wheelers. I have spoken about them in my previous videos as well. Now, just like invoice discounting, I see asset leasing as just another option of investing in startups. The IRRs are higher in case of asset leasing, and the net CAGRs are slightly lower. So the net CAGR would be around 11 to 12% for asset leasing. So if you have the bandwidth to plan your cash flows efficiently, then I would recommend go for asset leasing. Otherwise, invoice discounting is a little more safer as compared to asset leasing, and you don't get the headache of managing cash flows every month. Now, I have liked Race Energy since I saw their proposal, but there have been better options in the market like Blue Smart and Dalchini, where I have already invested a decent amount of money. Hence, Race Energy kind of took a backseat. And now, if I invest in Race Energy, that will be purely to diversify my portfolio in asset leasing and support one more startup and connect with them. One of my strongest reasons to invest in startup is to connect with smart people and get to know newer ideas that are happening in the market. So this fulfills all of these, and this is the reason why I am investing in all these opportunities. So that's it for this video. If you have invested in these opportunities, please let me know your experience with them. If these opportunities are on your watch list, let me know if I can share any particular tracking data. Thank you and have a great day.